Yes, we try to work with the changing inner HTML and changing the CSS. Changing inner HTML is the method. For example, you're taking a tag name inner HTML, h1 of 0 inner HTML. I can able to give the text called inner HTML. And for the class, document.getElements by class name and name of the class of 0 index is compulsory for the class name also, and inner HTML, and I can provide some text over there. And if you want to work with ID, document.getElement by ID, ID name, whatever the ID name you want, you can specify, and inner HTML again, text. For changing CSS, so style is the property, and same h1 of 0, style.color, color is red, and same here, color is blue, and same here, color is green. Now come to the program. When I come to the program, there is one simple h1 we got. So for that h1, what my requirement is, I want to change the inner HTML. h1 of 0 inner HTML, I change it to Srini. And h1 of 0 style.color, color I can provide as red color. So color property we know. Color property is basically text color. Color in CSS is text color. Background color in CSS is BG color. BG, background of the element. But this time color is red. But come to the 8th line and 9th line. What is 8th line here? Style dot text align property. What is this text align? Text align CSS is different. Text hyphen align. Text hyphen align in CSS. But in JavaScript, the same text align will be text A capital letter, camel case. Text align A capital letter. First letter is small letter, middle breaks are capital letter. That is called a camel case. So this camel case is working in JavaScript. But in CSS, that was text hyphen align. But in JavaScript, text align A capital letter. The same another property called background color. When you go for the background color in CSS is background hyphen color. But come to JavaScript, background color is background color C capital letter. Don't provide hyphen in JavaScript. If you provide hyphens in JavaScript, it will give you the interpreter console errors. In JavaScript, all CSS properties, when you find a hyphen, automatically that was converting into camel case, remember it.